Thank you, Mr. Gurnani, for your time. This budget, to what extent do you think it will revive the economy and help us recover the lost ground? What do you read into the budget?
I mean, overall, I would say the best budget possible on keeping the circumstances, particularly like the 6 pillars, particularly like the nice and a small consideration to the people aged over 75. And I do genuinely believe that we were all expecting a COVID tax, no major change in personal taxation. So overall, I would say it is a good budget.
Okay. This was budget given the kind of challenges which are there, which you very well articulated, saying that given the current circumstances. But in that situation, do you think this will help revive the economy? To what extent is it for the challenges that we have? To what extent does it address the challenges that we have from a recovery perspective?
I think again, if you look at it, the deficit has increased, and that money is coming into the system. So, as I said, from my perspective, those 6 pillars, Atmanirbharta, the direction is right, and yes, it will revive the economy.
Okay. Like in every budget, there is always the question around how will it be executed, where the money will be spent. So those I would presume will continue here as well. But in terms of this whole thrust of having the digital overlay for things, encouraging digital payments and all of that, I'm sure that is something which you will be happy with. But what is one or two things?
The digital part, but also, and the way the payments would be made through digital. To me, what was the good part was also recognizing that India is about 6,000 plus dialects, and that we need to invest money to make sure that our OS, our software is now language ready. The points you asked, Kumar Saab, that what can be done differently or what would have been a wish list. So there were 3 or 4 points. One is increased spending in product development related R&D and incentivization to do that. Continuation of SEZ benefits. Number 3 was more to do with better outlay for startup capital. And number 4th, I would have said that we as a country need to create a clear investment path for latest technologies like quantum computing.
These weren't done. They could have at least looked at them.
I've not read the fine print as yet.
Okay. Finally, you are always good with catchwords and trying to be brief and at the same time impactful. What would be your descriptor of this budget?
The right cuisine for the occasion.
Right cuisine for the occasion. All right. I'll leave you with that. Thank you so much for your time, Mr. Gurnani.
Thank you, Kumar Sir.